Welcome to another of our videos highlighting the work we did the past week in our shop. Terry, Marla, Mike, and myself have been pretty busy. Oh, and by the way, I'm Jill, and I'll be showing you the projects we finished for our customers. Why don't we get started? For K9 Search Rescue, we did this t-shirt with front and back prints. The front has the organization's logo on the left, and the word cadet is on the right. On the back, K9 Search and Rescue is spelled out in large letters. We have more Rolling Thunder tees, and here is a tee for a garage musician. It has a drumsticks design front left, and on the back is a picture of him in action on the drums. We printed these lemonade-inspired designs on a couple of aprons, and a third apron has lemonade theme embroidery. Now this hoodie is for Leon Builders of Ottawa, and has their name over the heart, and an American flag on the sleeve. The back of the hoodie has a larger print of the company's logo. Last week Hess Properties had a tee with their logo and a large graphic on the back. This week we did the same thing on this hoodie. You see here a quarter zip pullover that was embroidered with Alloy Specialties logo. And here is a dog bandana, having the embroidered name of a pet. The Starved Rock Yacht Club has several items. The first one you see here is a jeans shirt embroidered with the club's name and a bird G. A lady's jacket has the same embroidered bird G, but with the club letters. These beanies have similar designs embroidered on them. The club's last item is this lady's tee with the club initials embroidered on either side of a rhinestone anchor. Well, that's it for this week. It's time to get back to work now, so we have more things to show you in our next video. See you soon.